Friends, I'm happy to talk to you today about the difference between the physical exercise and yoga. Many of you are going for working out at gyms and you think that that really works out everything for you. It has no guarantee that you will not get sick. But I can give you a guarantee if you keep doing yoga continuously, your getting sick will not happen. That's so. My dear ones, if you have to stay healthy, if you have to stay with really a good health of body, mind, and emotion, then there is a need to practice yoga. When you go for a gym, when you go for a physical workout, your muscles get trained, your muscle get tightened, calories get burnt. But there is a lot of stress built up in the body. It's also good, but it's not like yoga. Yoga brings in your breath, your body, and the universe together. When these three are connected, the natural healing takes place. The integrity takes place in you, and balancing of energy takes place in you. And it also helps your soul to get focused. So there's a lot of difference between going for a working out and for the yoga. Choose yoga because it really helps you many ways. Another one, many of you think that going for a walk is something healthy one which will help you not to get sick. Yes, I agree with you, but I cannot agree with you 100%. What can help you is removing a toxic from your body. When you walk, what happens? Through skin, you sweat and the toxic is removed from the body. But there are better ways that they have taught us how to remove the toxin from the body. And at least once in 2 weeks or once a month, take a stomach wash. That means take a tablet or a simple salt water. I have explained to you how to uh, go for it, go for washing your internal organs. I've taught you. You can go for that, taking a simple salt water. One day take a holiday and go for that. And that's going to clean all your intestine. And put a water and gargle early morning every day. And then drink a lot of water and vomit in the morning. That will help your upper intestine to get cleansed. And then go for a walk. That will help you. Apart from that, there are other methods to clean your skin, and that is plantain leaf bath, we call it. What is plantain leaf bath? And this bath will help you to remove toxin from the body. And toxins stay in the body. They are minute. They do not come out sometimes with sweat. But when you put this plantain leaf and wrap you around and just putting a hole on the ear and the nose and wrap you fully from head to top and tie you and put you in the sunlight, the toxin is completely removed from the body. We call it a plantain leaf bath. It removes toxin from the body. It helps kidney. One plantain leaf bath is equal to 1 dialysis if you really done well for 1 hour. There's another method, that is mud bath. You prepare a herbal a liquid and then mix it with the mud and apply it all your body. Beat on the sun. When it dries, you can go for a bath. What it does, it puts you in line with the place where you are living. And see that the mud is really clean. If you can get a particular mud, we use it in Tamil Nadu, that is a snake will go and live in a particular small ants house, that we remove and then we use it. If you're not able to use even the ordinary, you can take it without stone, you can take and you can do it, and the same effect I have seen in people. Mud bath. And the next one is vapor baths. That is, make the water boil and put some herbs like eucalyptus, or if you don't have a herb, put some eucalyptus oil or any other aromatic oil which will uh, help you to detoxify or de-infect your body. And then be there for 40 minutes, half an hour or 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Just stay there, and a lot of water will come out of your body. That is one way of cleaning. So when you do all this kind of cleaning, all that you are eating will become a medicine for you. Otherwise, what you are eating becomes toxin and again in your body. So I'm happy that I have spoken to you today. So if you want to remain healthy, keep your intestine clear. Down and up, intestines clear. And then sweat. Do an exercise and sweat. And yoga is a healthy thing for you. So I'm happy that I have spoken to you today. Bye then till we meet.